Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, on the resurrection day, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam will be summoned and asked, did you convey my message? He will submit, yes, O my Lord. Then his ummah will be asked, were you conveyed the message? They will reply, no. Warner came to us. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam will be said, who is your witness? He will submit, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his ummah. So you will be summoned and you will testify. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited this verse, and thus we made you exalted among all nations, that you may be witnesses to the people, and his apostle your guard and witness. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 143. Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu has reported similarly from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7349.